Good morning, my beautiful children. Here we go, day one. Yeah, I don't know what to think about it either, but welcome to my digital learning space, i.e. my bed. This video anyway. Not the best angle, nor the best quality, but I do have the best pooch here, keeping me company. He's not amused. That's Oscar. Okay, so to start your morning, just a little mindfulness meditation. I think I only have 5 minutes that I'm allowed to record this for, so this is a 3-minute video. Do it with me, I hope, or don't. That's fine. Just know that throughout the day, the week, I'm going to be posting stuff. I will be available for help if you need me. Please just reach out via email and let me know that you need something, and I will do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, let's do a little mindfulness.
Breathing. Close your eyes and rest your hands on your knees. Bring your attention to the touch of your body on your seat. Feel the weight of your body on your chair or cushion. Make sure that your back is straight and that you're comfortable. Take a few deep breaths. While you're breathing deeply, relax your shoulders, your stomach muscles, the muscles in your face, your hands, and your legs. Let go of all the tightness in your body. Now bring your attention back to your breath. Notice what it feels like as it enters through your nose, goes down through your throat, filling your lungs, and back out through your nose. Notice your stomach and chest rise and fall each time you breathe in and each time you breathe out. And just allow your breathing to be natural and relaxed. Now bring your attention to the feeling of your breath in your nose. Feel your breath as it comes in and goes out. Just focus on this sensation, paying attention to each time you breathe in and each time you breathe out. As you inhale, maybe your breath feels cool. And as you exhale, maybe it feels a little warmer. When your mind wanders, or if you become distracted, just notice what's going on in your head, and then gently bring your attention back to your breath, going in and out. Focus on the feeling of your breath and allow thoughts and feelings to come and go in and out. Now gently bring your attention back to the touch of your body on your seat and open your eyes.
Okay, so that was it for today. For today's mindfulness, I will be posting other links and stuff like that for you guys in Google Classroom. Please, please, please try to keep yourselves in a routine of checking Portal, checking classrooms, checking emails, and getting a little work done every day. It will be super helpful. I will be touching base with each one of you throughout the day via email. Please check your email. Thanks. Good luck out there. Stay safe. Practice safe social distancing.